Dreaming of providing for your family, but all you have seen so far is losses. You're probably a beginner who still hasn't figured out what it takes to succeed in trading. Hey everyone, my name is Uche, and I'm the one who's gonna show you how to constantly stop, topping up your trading account and start making profit. What you need, guys, is a strategy, and today I'm gonna give it to you. The simplest one, not even requiring any setup, but still, definitely will improve your trading experiences. All you need to know is just watch, absorb, and get ready to apply it today. Stick around to the end, because all along the way, I will share valuable resources with you guys what will bring you closer to your first $1,000 in your trading account. It's time to level up and start making real money. Let's go. My system is ready now, so we are jumping straight into the first trade, and we'll figure everything out while trading here. And I'm entering a long position, guys. We are using the ZigZag and a Fractal indicators that draw key levels. For example, this level was broken upward earlier, meaning we are currently in the uptrend. Now we are drawing more levels based on the triangle patterns. There are the Fractal, and we conclude that the asset is continue its upward breakout. There was a small correction, but now we are entering another long trade, guys. Now we just wait for the expiration time to finish. So right now, this might seem complicated and unfamiliar, but don't worry, guys. By the end of this video, you will get used to those two indicators, and you could even make your first profit by the end of the day. By the way, the first trade is about to close, and once it finish, I will bring up a crucial topic for all of us, the world of strategy in trading. All right, the first profit is already in the account. We can continue trading right on this chart. So we'll take a quick pause and prepare for the next trade. So I will slightly increase my risks in this trade, and I want to show you the real result you can achieve. Okay, I'm back to the game. Here we're still expecting the asset to rise up. Let's take a closer look. There are an upward breakdown from the fractal levels, and the market is resuming its uptrend within the established trend. Right now, I can even see a momentum picking up, So entering a long position here is basically easy money for us. Speaking of money, you won't make any if you don't trade with strategy. In this video, I'm showing you guys, one of them, but there are hundreds indeed. So let's clarify what strategy it is. It's a set of rules for your actions plan, a framework of conditions for entering the market. Without them, you will trade randomly, treating trading like a casino or sport betting. Know why most people fail at the start? Because they lack a strategy, guys. Meanwhile, I'm back in a profit, so let's switch the chart and keep moving. Here, we'll trade a downside, guys. Totally opposite setup here. You'll see. Let's dig in, and here a zigzag level drawn from the corner. The asset is now in a down trade because it broke this band downward. Plus, we have a breakout of a smaller fractal levels, which is an in-depth confirmation. The price is consolidating at the low, but I'm confident it's about to crash. I just need to break this level, and now all we have to do is wait for the trade outcome. Back to the strategy, they must be in your toolkit. Every pro trade only with them, guys, and it's one of the key to succeed in the market. Planning to trade right now but have no strategy? Close the terminal. I'm serious, guys. You'll take losses. Meanwhile, I'm back in the profit, guys. Switching charts right now, and be right back soon. Okay, here we are trading the upward again. The setup is atypical, so I'm recommending you guys to watch very carefully. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explained might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and give you signals with 22% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. We are trading reversal, guys. The asset broke past this level and then pulled back. That's clear sign we should expect growth, and we have got a confirmation from a smaller indicators. Look here also, a mini reversal here shown by the fractal. So the key question for all traders, where do you find good trading strategy? This will take a lot of searching, guys. The thing is, there's many strategy, but finding one that fits you is now really easy. It's all individual. For example, I love using ZigZag combination. They have made me tens of thousands, dollars. But I don't get trader who only rely on OCRs, thought they do exist. While I was talking, I closed another profitable trade. We'll take a brief break and resume trading soon. The market is growing fast, so I'm almost certain we'll take a profit again. Yes, definitely in the right trade. So let me show you why. The asset is already breaking one key fractal levels. We are seeing a second reversal attempt, and their setup almost always end up in success. When the market refuses to give up, and once rally, hardly anything can stop it. Mark my words and remember this case. Now, I will prove that my forecast was correct. While we wait, let me revisit the strategy search topic. It's much easier now since you can get information directly from pros. Join my Telegram channel where I regularly publish high quality indicator combinations. You will definitely find a strategy that suits you personally there. You will also discover a ton of useful content and can even make your first money with my free signals. Looking forward to having you on the team. Meanwhile, I'm profitable again, guys. Perfect time to switch charts and open a final trade. Here's a good entry point to wrap up our trading sessions. We can use higher time frame as reference. We have this key level from ZigZag. The price has consolidated above it, so it's logical that it will start to climb. The nearest target is the upper zone with the fractal. That is where we are heading up, guys. Another important note about strategy, you need to test them. Adjust algorithm parameters, check profitability over the long term and add indicators and remove unnecessary ones. In other words, you have to customize the strategy to fit your style. My friend, yes, it's challenging for beginners, but everyone goes through it. But in the end, you will have your own proven trading tools. You will know how to trade with it, and will be confident in its reliability. Okay, another profitable trade. While we were discussing strategy, I've already made 1,600, and that's enough to rise things up. Now you have everything you need to start trading successfully. You have seen its performance firsthand. 6 trades brought in over 100% profit. Now it's your turn. Test it yourself, stay profitable, and share your experiences in the comment. I would also appreciate your like and subscription. Show me that this content is valuable to you. But remember, trading is a constant growth. If you want to be a king here, not just a financial donor, you'll always need more. For now, join my Telegram channel, free entry signals, interesting market cases, proven strategy, and my trading insight are waiting for you. That's all for now, my friend. Take care and good luck in your trading. See you in the next video.